Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Okay guys, so do you know that aloe vera, like fresh natural aloe vera, actually helps you to remove dental plaque, dental decay, and it's also heal cavity? Well, yeah, it's as good and as simple as that. Okay, so let's find that out and let me show you how to use this and do this. All right, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. To remove dental plaque, guys, we're going to be needing to use aloe vera. Now, do you know that aloe vera works so well in removing dental plaque, tartar? It heals gum disorder, and it's also great in removing bad breath. Now, to make that work even better, you're going to be needing to use baking soda. Now this is actually going to help to whiten up the teeth, while the aloe vera helps to remove the plaque. Baking soda is also going to help to remove dental tartar. It's going to help to heal dental hole, and it's going to help for mouth odor. And then we're going to be needing rice powder. Now rice powder is going to help to whiten up the teeth, and it's going to help to reduce the effect of baking soda, making it really mild for the teeth and preventing the abrasiveness of baking soda. And then we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a vast and almighty remedy that works wonders in rejuvenating the skin, and it is great for the tooth enamel. It prevents baking soda from damaging the tooth enamel, and it's also going to remove bad breath. It is great for mouth odor. So I'm going to be cutting a little slice of this and then preparing it. So now I would have to be scraping it so that I can remove the juice. Now 1 tablespoon of baking soda will go a long way. And then just a little bit of rice powder to really whiten up the teeth. Then we're going to be putting in coconut oil. About 1 tablespoon will be in. Alright, so you have to mix this and mix it really well so that it's not going to be slimy. Now this is a great paste, you can see that. Now if it's not friendly enough, if the paste is not friendly enough, you can actually add up a little bit of water, and you stir, and then it's going to loosen up and your paste is ready and really good to go. So this is how it looks like. Really good consistency for a dental plaque. Okay guys, so to use this, the paste is it's a good consistency, and you're going to use a brush. You're going to take it just like this, pack it into your brush. Okay guys, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna brush your treat off. And yeah guys, aloe vera itself like this is actually very bitter, okay, but mixing it all up here with the coconut oil makes it really good. It's not bitter, it's not bitter at all. Okay, so brush. You brush your upper teeth. Okay, so mixing aloe vera with all of this is actually not bitter at all. I was thinking it's gonna be super bitter because aloe vera itself is hell bitter. But yeah, after brushing, I've actually not washed my mouth yet I can hold it. Like it does not give me that tinkling feeling and irritation on my gum. Good. But yes, you don't have to hold it, you have to wash immediately you finish brushing. Brush your tongue, because when your tongue is dirty, your mouth is dirty. Okay, so you brush your tongue in a circular motion, and your mouth, your teeth, all of the plaque is going to be softened and it's going to remove. It's actually not bitter like the normal aloe vera used to be really bitter, but this wasn't bitter at all. It was really friendly in the mouth when you've mixed it up with the oil, and it's really good and it's superb. Okay, but you don't have to leave it in your mouth for so long. Okay, and once in a week is recommended, and it's going to be very okay to remove all of the dental plaque. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Mwah.